Fish.
Good day everyone, today I will demonstrate how to properly fold a letter for insertion into an envelope.
Octopus.
First is you will need a bond paper and standard envelope, and follow these steps carefully. First step is prepare the bond paper. Begin by folding the bottom of the third of the paper upward, ensuring the fold is even and aligned. Avoid increasing it firmly at this stage and allow adjustments.
Hammerhead shark.
Step 2. Fold the top section. Next, fold the top third of the bond paper downward, leaving a 1 to 2 inch gap at the top. This ensures the folded letter fits snugly into the envelope without overfilling.
Seahorse. Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Seahorse. Seahorse.
Third step. Secure the
Seahorse.
fold. Once aligned firmly along the fold, using your fingernails
Manta ray.
to create sharp, clean creases. Verifies that both
Manta ray.
are straight and parallel.
Crab.
Crab.
Fourth step.
Crab.
Insert into envelope. Hold the envelope
Crab.
upright and gently folded letter inside the bottom of
Squid.
each first. So you need to hold your
Squid.
thumb like this, and
Squid.
to avoid air pockets, guide the paper upward toward the
Squid.
top of the envelope and smoothly tuck the remaining portion towards.
Lobster.
Lobster.
Lobster. Lobster. Lobster.
Lobster.
Step 5. Final check. Ensure the letter sits flush within the envelope with no edges protruding. The
Angelfish.
flap should close neatly without resistance.
Angelfish.
And
Angelfish.
there you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you
Angelfish.
learned something new from this video.